Welcome to C++ programming tutorial. Today I discuss about functions that take parameters, multiple parameters. In last tutorial we discussed about functions. Simply we print out a message I am happy and call from main and display a message on the console screen I am happy. So I hope you understand the concept of a function. So let's come to our today lecture. I give you an example. If you remember in last tutorial, if you want to calculate an area or height of a person, you need a return type int, double or float, because you need answer in numbers or point form. So here I do some calculation related to sum, add two numbers and return answer. So I use here int. You see in last tutorial I use void. Today I use int because I need answer in number. Int function name, and I give two parameters here, int a and int b. These are our parameters. After this, in main body I have to declare one variable in which sum of a and b store. So I declare int x. I put x is equal to a plus b because sum of a plus b store in x, so we have to return x also. So I simply write return x. This is our function that take multiple parameters complete. I explain you one time more. These are our parameters. I declare variable in which sum of a plus b store and return this x. Now start our main body work. In main we have to declare another variable which executes the function. So I declare here int r. After this, r is equal to, now you write here your function name and give two values that take place of a plus b. So I simply write our function name message and pass two values 6 and 4. 6 is the value of a and 4 is the value of b. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, but we have to print answer on the screen. If you execute this program, this will not print out your message. So simply write cout statement and write the result is stream insertion operator and variable you declare in your main, नॉट इन द फंक्शन. आपने जो मेन में डिक्लेयर किया उसको आपने यहाँ पे लिखना है, क्योंकि वो कैलकुलेशन हो के उसमें रिजल्ट स्टोर होना है. सो सिंपली पुट सेमी कॉलन, टू वैल्यूज आर हेयर. सो नाउ एग्जीक्यूट दिस प्रोग्राम. आई होप दिस वर्क्स and the result is 10. Finally we get our answer. So you see how easily we pass two parameters and calculate the result. So guys, this is our today lecture. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in comments. I hope you like my video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and share the videos. Allah Hafiz.